Hey, I am Jenn T. Grace. I am the founder of Publish Your Purpose, and I'm also the author of Publish Your Purpose, a step-by-step guide to write, publish, and grow your big idea. What led me to writing this book is I was an author first, and that started back in 2012. And I went the route of self-publishing, and at the time, it was really difficult to find the right information. And what's beautiful is that now, over 10 years later, information is everywhere and readily accessible. However, the information is really hard to comb through. It's hard to know what the right path is, how to do it strategically, how to do it with intentionality, and really put your purpose front and center with your work. And so it really is a step-by-step guide to write, publish, and grow your big idea, because it has to be all of those things. We can't just write a book and then just kind of hope someone publishes it. And we can't publish a book and just hope that someone's going to go buy it. We have to have intentionality and strategy behind we do that. And so the book is broken into 3 parts. It's mindset, writing, and then publishing, because mindset tends to be the thing that people struggle hands down with the most. And once you get that in check, you're in great shape. And so there's a lot of just structure and routines and things that you can do to really help you just get your book out there and really make a big difference, because that's ultimately what we're here to do.